Guys, so I'm back with another video and I'm gonna be waxing my pussy. Let me lock my door. Hold on. Let me why my sister brought me a hot dog and she literally closed the door and she dropped the towel that was hanging on my TV, and my TV knocked all my lotions, all my perfumes, my hair products down. So now I had to pick all that up. Okay, so I'm gonna be waxing my pussy and I'm just gonna go ahead and start because I gotta go. I got places to be. So I got two mirrors, my Banner mirror and the mirror that I use for my makeup, to do my makeup. All right, so I have put it up the heat because it was getting a little bit cold, the wax, and I don't like working with the wax too cold. I don't know why. So this is the color of the wax that we're using. I actually had some green, I think it was like green wax from last time that I waxed myself. So I added a pink one and it kind of turned into like lavender purplish color. It's nice, I like it. Okay, so tomorrow I'm going to the water park and hijo su puta madre, ow, that hurt. Tomorrow I'm going to the water park and I'm trying to wax myself because I was hairy as hell on my armpits and I'm hairy as hell, you know, over here. So that's why I'm waxing today, and I only have today and I only have right now. So yeah, I'm doing it. So I have some spots that are already dry, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull, and I'm just gonna do it because I'm not gonna be wasting time. This is the first one. Like, my hairs are long. I was trying to literally wax myself before, but then I got my period and I was like, yeah, and I didn't wanna. Oh my god. This one is painful. Fuck. Oh, hurt. And I wasn't trying to wax myself when I'm on my period because supposedly that you're more sensitive to the pain, so it's already painful. I don't want to go to extra pain, so I'll just wait it. My hair is grew, so second application, no, third application, and then the fourth one. See, duele, bro. Like, you get kind of used to the pain, like you already know how bad it's gonna hurt, but like fully you don't get used to the pain, I think, you know. Okay, so I'm gonna use another one of the, okay, so I have 4 more applications and then I had to put my wax to melt because I run out of it. I already knew it was gonna happen. This is another application. Oh, I dropped it. Okay, and this one. I'm trying to grab a little. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. I put my leg up on my chair because hijo de su nombre. Hijo de su. Oh my god, this one is gonna hurt. What the fuck? 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh my god, so much hair. I'm bleeding already. Oh my god. Okay, I don't have no more wax, so I'm waiting for the wax to melt, so I'm gonna take a little break meanwhile this melts. So I'll be right back. Okay, I have 5 applications that I apply. The wax is already good to use. Maybe it's a little hot, so I'll put it down and the fan is on, so it's gonna dry faster. Okay, few hairs. This is my belly bottom. It be hairy, my little pancita. Hairy girl. Little hairs that were behind from the other applications. Oh my god, those are long. Those are long. Okay. One, two. Hijo eso. Oh my god. The fucking hurt. You know what? Meanwhile that, I'm gonna apply some. I don't know, but I got an obsession of leaving everything smooth. Okay, 1, 2. This one is like by my lips, so I'm kinda and fuck. Okay, guys, look at that here. Okay, then tengo otra acá. But you know what? I think that one is gonna need a little bit more of wax because to pull is too thin. It's not gonna work. Okay, like this is gonna work. I just apply a little bit more and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply more wax down here. We already working with the bottom section and it's hairy. It's hairy. Okay, I can do this one right here. Okay, 1, 2. Okay, this I was just trying to get here few hairs that were behind. Okay, trying to put this one right here. 1, 2. Equals 1, 2. Oh my god. Okay, whatever. Oh my, I don't know what happened here, but I was trying to get the hairs and I got wax and I got more wax and more wax and more wax. So I have one drying and then let me apply some more and then I'll be right back and pull with you guys and I show you guys. So I had 2 applications, one in the front, one in the back. So the front is hairy, the back one is hairy. I don't know which one to pick, so okay, I'm gonna start trying to see where I pull. Hold on, I'm trying to grab the one with the this is this is painful. 1. Whoa, fuck. Okay, 1, 2, and I feel like if I count I cannot do it, and if I don't count I can't do it. This is hairy. And then I wonder why it fucking hurts so bad, bro. Oh my god. Okay, and then I'm gonna wax the one in the back. Hold on, I'm gonna have to make a weird position. Oh my god. Okay, this is it, but I need to get more hair in the back, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I got 2 applications and my so they're painful, bro. Oh my god. I don't even want to talk. Push it to the side, it does hurt. Okay, a few more. Almost gone. Almost. Okay, so I got some applications. Hold on. I can see. Okay, 1, 2. Hijo eso. 1, 2, and this one is a funny one, and it felt really funny too. It didn't hurt, it just felt funny. I have one in my back. I'm gonna try to put it. Well, kind of fell because I didn't get more hairs. The back is kind of difficult, you know. Okay, so I'm all done, and I think I don't have no more hairs. I'm just gonna give me a little quick look. But I do have a lot of wax left, so I'm gonna be applying some of the after wax spray. Okay, so I got most of the wax left on my skin. But yes, guys, I guess this is it for this video. Let me know if you got let me know if you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Give me 1 second. Jesus. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Even if you want to see more of me, don't forget to follow me on the rest of my social medias. They're gonna be linked down below. I am a makeup artist located in Houston, Texas. If you wanna get your makeup done, DM me on Instagram. It's gonna be down here and in the description box. So I guess I see you guys in my next video. Bye.